Hey Gold Eagles, this is Mrs. Fennel. So for this activity that we're going to be doing, we're going to be talking about rhythms and we're going to be talking about meter as well. The activity is called Chrome Music Lab Rhythm. So that there's several different activities in Chrome Music Lab, but we're going to be focusing on the rhythm one. Meters for this one are in 3, 4, 5, and 6 that you'll be using. When we talk about meter, typically it is there's a strong beat on beat 1 and then all the rest are weak. So you would have for 3, you would count to 3 continually over and over and over again, but you would make sure that your beat 1 is the strongest one. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If it wasn't a meter of 4, beat 1 would still be the strong one, but you'd add a 4th beat. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I'm talking about meter, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me show you what you're going to actually be doing. So give me one moment just to share my screen. All right, I'm going to refresh this actually, so it's going to be really fresh for us. And I'm going to share computer sound. Okay, so I'm ready to go now. So this meter, you can tell what meter it is because down here at the bottom, there are lines that go through the beats. And so like I said, that first beat is going to be our strong beat and the other 2 are going to be a weak beat. So if we count 1, 2, 3, that's showing us that it's in a meter of 3. So you can see there's these little characters for each one of these things. And so these ones, to me, they look like little monkeys. And you can click on the different instruments to see what they sound like. So these 2 are both called timpani. So this is the first one. And then this is the second one. And then this little guy is going to be playing the triangle. So, and down here, the colors that you'll see, they correspond with the instrument that's playing. So like that one is in the shape of a triangle and it's silver. That's the triangle. And that's that one. So what you do is you can click on any of these things, on these little dots. It's going to stick, wherever you click, it's going to stick the sound of that instrument. So let's listen. So that's our first one with the monkeys. It's in a meter of 3. The next one, let's count the meter. Let's see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this activity we know is going to be in a meter of 4. Let's see what it sounds like just with what they have. So you just have one instrument playing. The instruments that we have for this one, there's this one. It sounds like that. It's called a hi-hat. This one is the snare drum. And then this last one that we were just listening to is called the floor tom. These are pieces of a drum set. Drum sets have lots of different pieces to them. These are 3 of the instruments that you would see in a drum set. So like I was saying, they just have the floor tom. We're going to add some more though. So let's do the hi-hat. And then let's add the snare drum, these dots. All right, let's listen to see what we made. That's pretty good. And as it's playing, you can actually add more or take away sounds as well. So as you can see, I'm doing that as well. Okay, so that's our one that's in a meter of 4. Let's go on to our next one. Let's count the meter before we do anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one's in a meter of 5. We don't hear a lot of music in 5, but sometimes you do. It's rare, but we do a little bit. Okay, so these little guys, they are playing 3 different instruments. So this is probably one instrument, then you'd consider this one a different one. So these ones are the tempo blocks. So here's what the first one sounds like. And here's the second one. So this one is lower, and then I believe this one's higher. Yep. And then these little instruments right here are called claves. Let's see what they have. You can actually see these little characters. They're bouncing to the beat. Okay, let's add some. So we have the claves are playing. Let's add. Okay, so I kind of made a pattern right there, and then this is different at the end. So let's see what it sounds like. Sounds pretty good. Okay, so like I was saying, that one's in a meter of 5. Our last one, we have parrots. Our last one, let's count the meter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is in a meter of 6 for our last one. The instruments that we see, these 2 drums are called Conga drums, and then this one is a cowbell. So there's one Conga drum, there's the other one, and there's the cowbell. Let's add some. Oops, I don't want that many. So if you click on it again, it makes them go away. Okay, let's hear how it sounds. Sound to it. Okay, so those are the things that you can do with Chrome Music Lab Rhythm. So we have the parrots, which are in a meter of 6. We have these little purple horned alien guys that are a meter of 5. We have the blue horned aliens that are in a meter of 4. And then we had our pinkish purple. We have these monkeys that were in a meter of 3. So you can play around with that. You can have them play different rhythms in the different meters. All right, I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye, see you later.